Hey, it's Juliet from WTI, and I want to talk about something I am newly obsessed with, and that's the Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier. I first tried one of these at my cousin's house when I was feeling a little bit sick. I was getting dehydrated and she made me try one. And since then I haven't stopped. They taste great. It doesn't taste like other rehydrating fluids that maybe you've tried that are sickeningly sweet and thick. Not at all. This stuff tastes like whatever flavor it says it is. Every flavor I have tried has been amazing. So if you're looking for something to rehydrate you, this is really easy to use. It comes in a pack of 16, which I think is great. And it's a great price point. So definitely give these a try. They taste great and they rehydrate you. And that's my point of view.